my vlog! Ako po si Kurdapya Joy Bolok-Bolok at ito po ang una kong video bago ako maging sikat, yayamanin at mamahalin. At that's all! Thank you for watching! Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Mayan, sino ba niloloko ko? Ikaw nga maamin kay Carlos na crush ko siya eh. Vlog pa kaya?
Look at that! Look at that! Nakakaya. Alam mo, buti na lang pinuntahan ni Nicolo yung pamilya para mag-apologize for you. You're an embarrassment.
Honey, kalma.
I don't need your help, Margie.
Hey. You don't talk to your Tita Margie like that.
She's not my tita. She's not even family.
Yun na nga, Daphne. Your family. Pero ikaw ang nagbibigay sa akin ng sakit ng ulo. Kailan ka ba titino?
Kailan ako titino? That I've always been a good daughter to you. Yung luningding nga kilala pa rin dahil sa akin eh. The board even thinks that all of my ideas are the ones that are gonna save this company. Pero ikaw, never. When are you gonna treat me like your daughter and not as an embarrassment?
Alam mo, sinubukan ko ng lahat. You leave me no choice. You will help this family another way. You are to be married.
What? Money for me. Honey, wait, huwag ka namang pabigla-bigla ng ganun. Di ba tayo kakasal mo?
Marge, tuloy pa rin yung kasal natin. Okay? But this is more urgent. As far as I'm concerned, you have two options.
So, what you're trying to say is that ayaw mong maging digital yung company para lumaki, pero mas gusto mong ako nilang i-sacrifice at ikasal ako para lumaki yung kumpanya? What in the telenovela gaggery is this? No! No, Dad, I will not.
No is not an option. It's either you marry or
Or what?
you're on your own.
Honey, hindi ba masyadong mabigat yun para kay Daphne? Napalayasin mo siya sa bahay na to?
Hoy, wag kang pakialamera ah! Dad only said you're on your own. Hindi niya naman sinabi palayasin ako.
Alam mo kung doon ka matututo, why not?